This I never want to fight with Mark Cruz because I said it before. I'm telling to Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, don't post about nonsense. Because I know, I just said before, if you say a bad words at Rodrigo Duterte with the F word, then I will bash Sam Rascal. Because I know he is very wrong. Because I said to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, don't post about any nonsense in Instagram threads. And don't say bad words many, many times. I'm telling you, because you're insulting other people. Like me, I never say bad words at the time in social media. Because me, I don't want to say bad words. Either that came back from Mark Cruz bad words, I never supposed to say that. Because, for me, I am telling to Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, limit your bad words. Do not say many, many times. It's really kind of big insult because unlike me, I never want to say bad words in social media. Like I said it again, just like for example, like Paula, Paula says to me not to say bad words. I am telling you, Mark Domingo Cruz, people out there are still criticizing you because you are wrong. Whether if you say a bad words, because I know your parents anyway had been reprimand you. Thanks to the mother of Mark Cruz, because Mark Domingo Cruz, you need to limit with your bad words. How many times I've been telling you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, it's not a fight. It's telling you to stopping you to stop saying bad words. Like Shania Kiana, she's telling to Mark Domingo Quason Cruz to stop saying bad words. He didn't listen. For me, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, your bad words anyway, he has to be limit. You have to be limit. Whether you say a bad words, you curse me F-U-C-K, if you call me an asshole word, and S-O-B word, and etc., it's a kind of insult. At least I say to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I say again in my YouTube blog, do not say bad words. You know that. First of all, after J. Rick Silva, you call him an F word. Second is Juan Carlo Pabale. Third is Rodrigo Duterte, Tatay Digong. And fourth, last year, you curses Ryan Chris Lucero with the bad word. Where did you get that mouth with your dirty mouth? And I say again, Mark Cruz, where did you get that F-U-C-K? Like me, when I accused Lemon, the dog, she just pee in my room. I mopped the floor and I say an F word though because I know Lemon.
Tapos na po sinabubang ko.
Alright. As I'm saying to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you are wrong. You are wrong. You say a bad word. Why I bash you in Instagram threads? Why I accuses you? You are wrong. Oh. Because you cursing anybody. You attack anyone. That's why you should be deserved that you don't have a friends. At least Christian Mengito had blocked Mark Cruz. Who among who blocked Mark Cruz? I remember. I remember Nigel Ernesto de Veria. I remember. What?
Parang nang ano siya, parang nang isang ano nga, isang hangak, ang pantalon. Hindi pang pantalon. Isa pa na. Hindi ito, pang pantalon na.
And I just want to demand you, Shania Kiana, do not defend Mark Cruz. If I were you, Shania Kiana, condemn against Mark Cruz sa attitude and join together for uncolonization to stop Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz attitude. Because you know, I'm telling Mark Domingo Cruz, I'm calling out the parents of Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Is this your son have been never been raised by his own parents? Huh? And I'm telling you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, one more bad words again. I'm telling you, everyone will hate you. Because you are wrong, Mark Domingo Cruz. When you say a bad word sa an fuck word, that is insult. Just remember, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you do not know about cyber libel. Oh, I even read that in Harold Respicio law in the office. You know Harold Respicio? He's a lawyer. When I read it in cyber libel, that is an online defamation. You cursing anyone with the bad words. Like for example, we're the victims of Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz is Ryan Chris Lucero and Juan Carlo Pabale. They're filing the cases against him. You know, Mark Cruz, I am telling you, you need to stop saying bad words many times, and I'm just saying to you, look at Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents. Look at teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, she was scolded by her parents. Both of them, they're making a bomb joke and bomb threat. They were being reprimanded.
Ray! Tingin nga ito na. Labas mo nga. Hindi ko ito. Tingin. Hawakan mo na. Bayo lang mga. Magdala ka ng ano mamaya, ah.
We're going.
Sa Stella. Saan tayo pupunta? Dali lang na. Ayusin ko lang. Hindi ba, Alexin, bumili daddy mo ng lakos na ano? Na pantalon? Ito sa'yo to. Susuotin mo to sa pag-alis natin.
Where?
Ay, hindi ka sa amin, Japan.
Okay, I'll wear it. Hey, wait. Do you see that red long sleeve?
Bakit?
That you wear it last 2023?
Hindi ko alam. Diyos ko naman to.
Oh, yeah. I wear that before we go to Japan. Because you bought it last 2020 before pandemic.
Dalawa pa natin.
Mama,
Hmm.
ayun po si Duba.
Dali lang.
Pasada mo naman po 11:30 po pick up si 22 noon sa Vallejo.
Kasi di ba pupunta pa tayo doon?
Mm.
Oh.
Lenggo po.
Buksan mo to. Buksan mo to.
Mushroom cream sauce po naman.
Ano?
Party size na lengua with creamy mushroom sauce. 2.5 po ah.
Ayun, isa na. Yung ano natin, yung sa slow cook. Cream sauce din yan.
Truffle.
Waffle din. Cream sauce din.
Opo.
Diba parang parehas?
Isa po mushroom.
Ah.
Isa po mushroom, isa po truffle.
Nasari mo na.
Pero ayaw ka na makita yung lasari na yun.
Isa mushroom. Isa.
Truffle.
Don't forget this, you might get lose it. You're gonna...
Confirm na po.
Okay, for me, I'm just gonna say to Mark Cruz, nobody can curse any bun when you say a bad word. Just like I said, I mean, when I was in my old school in CDIFI, I've been scolded by Teacher May when I say a bad words at Prince Gun in Tagalog words, and I said, oh, PI word, oh, that is a bad word. For me, I'm saying to you, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words. Even either to Danmar, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, do not say them SOB word. You know, Mark Cruz, you're hurting someone. You're hurting anybody. That's why Danmar Dayaw criticize you because you're saying bad words. That is wrong. Like me, when I say bad words anyway, I never want to say bad words. Just like, for example, you, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, when you make a bomb joke and bomb threat over at J. Rick Silva and you're saying about sabugin ko pa ang Davao City, that is a bomb threat. Oh. You know, I just say to the father of Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, ha, lecture your daughter to teach her a good manners and right conduct. Just like Paulo Cruzada, he was scolded by his parents because I know Teacher May already knows what happened is because he was scolded. Oh. And I say to the mother of Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, lecture your son. And enough about saying bad words. It's insult. It's a big insult. Oh. Like me, when I was in CDIFI, I remember I remember Klaus, he was saying bad words. And he says about GAGO, he says about the word tarantado words, and he say that word. And you see Klaus, he was being scolded by teacher Mirna. That's why Klaus, he has to stop saying bad words. Oh. You know, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, your bad words anyway, you need to stop. You should never say bad words. Like me, when I say bad words at um, um, Teacher Vincent Ramos, I curse him. Oh, my dad scolded me. I'm the one who made fake account. I apologize, Teacher Vincent. Oh, even to the family of David Gill, when I curse at bad words, even to Joel Ferrer. I'm the one who's responsible that I attacked the family of David Gill, and I apologize to Joel Ferrer, the uncle of David. I urge to Joel Ferrer, the uncle of David Gill, not to sue against me, not to file the cases against me. Oh, and I want the cases is to be dismissed. That I will never do that again. Oh. Just remember, Mark Cruz, don't do that again. And I'm telling you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, when you attack Juan Carlo Pabale, when you attack Ryan Chris Lucero, then don't say bad words. Everyone were telling you, why did you even say a bad word? Oh, because I know Teacher Vincent Ramos, my friend, had read the Instagram threads from Mark Cruz, oh, and he read it in reply, oh, he curses me, oh, that's why Teacher Vincent Ramos says, oh, don't imitate to someone who's cursing a bad words, oh, at least you lecture RJ Gonzalez, you lecture, do you know RJ Gonzalez? A student of Teacher Vincent. I first encountered him and I met him last 2019 before pandemic. RJ Gonzalez never say bad words because he's matured. Oh, for anyone, like I said before, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, when you say a bad word, do not say bad word. Do not curse me an asshole word. Because you know you're insulting anyone. Like me, what I did to Nanay Ningning. I call her an asshole. All the Germans are very stupid. I apologize, Nanay Ningning. Sincerely. And I will never do that again. I will never comment her in Instagram. Because Instagram, before the threads was coming, and I said, I never want to say bad words. But here's the one thing, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Be responsible how to use social media. You're not being responsible. How would you come that you are a good person? How would you come you are a good attitude? Yeah, you're always like that. You're fighting to anyone and you're cursing anyone. You're cursing Juan Carlo Pabale. You're cursing Ryan Chris Lucero. You cursing Dan Mardayaw, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, me, and even to former President Rodrigo Duterte, Tatay Digong. You don't really have a shame to anyone. I'm saying to you, Mark Domingo Cruz. You don't really know how to use social media etiquette. That I've been lessoned that from Teacher May. Look at Teacher May says to me, how to use social media. Number 1, do not say bad words. Oh, when you say a bad word, a curse word, it will be hurt to other people. Like I was told by Teacher May, when I told by Ate Ellen Servirio, I never say bad words. When I say again, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, if you stop saying bad words, you need to be lectured, you need to be disciplined by your own parents. Your parents anyway didn't raise you up. Your parents did not fed you up because you're always like that. And you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, you didn't fed by your own parents and you saying about bomb threat and bomb joke in Davao City. And you're attacking J-Rick Silva. Even the Spedmotics. Even you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. When you curse me a bad word, when you attacking me, how would you able to say an F word? No, I retaliate you, Mark Cruz. I say you factism. I call you a shitism. Because you are a bad influence. Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. That's why you should never be a part of Fans Inclusion Philippines. Look at Roylan Marlang. He never say bad words. Look at Bomber Nando. He never say bad words. Both they never say bad words. You're the one who say bad words. Where did you get that your filthy mouth, Mark Cruz? Where did you get those words? Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. I'm telling you, be responsible in social media.